problems that you have.
Here, if you have
Because at that time easily
to you.
Allopathic
How-
Good afternoon to all my sitting audience as well as YouTube audience. Today we are going to have a debate between allopathic and Ayurvedic. We are the supporter of allopathic and my opponent team is the supporter of Ayurvedic. And I am the student of this institute. So without wasting our time, here we go with them first.
So, in my opinion, Ayurvedic medicine are much more effective than the allopathic medicine. Why? Because it is very cost effective. And second thing is that it's work upon your root causes, which is something that allopathic medicine didn't work, because the allopathic medicine work upon your symptoms based, and that's why it has some pros and cons itself. But if you look towards the Ayurvedic medicine, that you will see that it only affect your problems that you're having, like the disease that you're having in your liver. If you are having some kind of disease, that the Ayurvedic medicine will only affect that kind of area, and it gives you a guarantee that it will
I am in the favor
cure
of
you.
allopathic. I am in the favor of allopathic. Now you will means now people consider as a medicines. So medicines are far better than Ayurvedic. Even in market you cannot find any kind of thing about Ayurvedic. Here, if you have fever, cough, any other disease, you have means you what you consider Ayurvedic first. Okay, sorry, allopathic first. So that is how allopathic
okay,
is
so
most.
first of all, I don't know where do you live, ma'am, because right now you are not getting the Ayurvedic kind of things. Because if you will go in the market at that time, easily you will get that kind of medicine. As well as right now, the people are getting mostly the people are using that kind of medicine. Because if you are taking the example previous to still now, right now the people are getting a lot of the benefit by that medicine. As well as whatever you are supporting about that team, it is really not good, because right now that medicine is destroying
my
our
dear sir,
health.
listen carefully.
Mostly
Listen carefully whatever I'm going to say to you. They're getting short-term benefits, not a long-term benefits. Apart from it, they're getting adulterated products, not a clear clear products. Whether you're Ayurvedic, it has pros and cons, but cons are more in comparison to pros. Apart from it, in allopathic, whatever surgery, whatever drugs, it impacts in deeply. Whatever accidents are going in a trauma centers, they're just doing the treatment on behalf of drugs. You can't do treatment on behalf
So,
of
sir, you're
Ayurvedic.
talking about
is why
that
it is important,
allopathic
it's
medicine
imperative.
have much more effectiveness than the Ayurvedic. You're talking about the chemicals, because most of the allopathic medicine are made of chemicals. So, how does it impact a good in your body? On the other hand, Ayurvedic medicine are made of herbs, which are very good for the body. Even if you see in the Western country, most of the people are now demanding allopathic
How
medicine.
can you say that allopathic is chemical based product? No, that is not okay. First, it is evidence based. Okay, people means doctors has researched about it. After that, they have introduced different kind of pills of different kind of diseases. So don't consider that allopathic is chemical based. Okay, and about Ayurveda, even about for what means if I have fever or if you have fever, so for what herbal it is used to get overcome from that. No, you don't know what you consider. You go to doctor and you ask and you tell to him, and do you get diagnosis by the doctor.
I
So
think you
say
don't
these
know,
kind of
that's why
things,
you are
okay?
talking about that things, because you don't know about the Ayurveda, that's why you are talking about. But we know about that things, like if we know about if we are having a fever, so at that time we know which kind of things we should take, like about in our home also, our mother as well as our mother, whatever this she made by us for getting that kind of thing movement. So at that time it is really nice. As well as right now the people, right now you can found right now mostly foreigners also adopting that kind of thing, because they don't know about that thing. As well as in India, mostly people having a knowledge about that field. As well as right now the people are giving that things to the foreigner. As well as the people who are who know about that things, they never use the outside medicine, like the outside what we call about the
Man, by your voice, it's totally indicating that you do not have a knowledge, but deliberately you're trying to impose that you are having a knowledge. You're trying to show yourself that you are having a knowledge. No matter, it's not a matter. Matter is that what kind of benefits, what kind of merits you are getting from allopathic. You can go at Johar Park, many West Indies, many foreign means people, they're getting treatment on behalf of allopathic, they're getting benefits. What happens in Ayurvedic? It gives a benefit after taking. If you continue to take, then it will give a benefit after long time.
So, sir,
But
tell me one thing: which kind of benefit you like the most? The one that promising you that it will cure your problems, or the one that will don't promise you that it will cure your disease, but it gives you that it will heal your problem for so short period of time, and that is what allopathic. And ma'am, for your kind of information, allopathic medicine are made of chemicals. You can read it about on the Google. And on the other hand, Ayurvedic medicine are made from the herbs, and that is very good for your body. And the other
What kind of herbs are you talking about? What kind? I want to know about what kind of herbs are you talking about. You even didn't mention about any kind of herb. So don't think and go and search on the Googles that they are not chemical based product. Okay, they are researched. Okay, first that allopathic pills or medicines are researched by the doctors, by the scientists. After that, they are approved by the government. Then it is used in the markets. Okay, so don't think that kind of thing. Don't say this. Go and check on the Google.
Because right now
And
we check that
listen,
things.
sir.
Right now we check that things like right now mostly if you will see the medicine. So at that time how they will send in the plastic. You will found that things in the plastic, and we know the plastic is harmful for everyone. As well as right now you are taking that things. If you will see the homeopathic things, definitely that is really good, because right now how they made that things by the help of the like plants, as well as by the help of the some of the things which is really nice for everyone. And right now the people are getting benefit. That's why the people are supporting that things. Right now the mostly people what they are using, if the person is taking that medicine, so at that time they are not getting any kind of the benefit. Right now that medicine is destroying their life. Like right now,
may I know
stomach problem
any
mostly
benefits?
happened.
Again you are just have been mentioning benefits, but you are not telling any benefit, single benefit. First of all, listen what's happened in Ayurvedic. That was a time in Satyug time. They used to use clear products, means herbs, and this is a Kalyug. People are using chemicals to earn the money, to survive their livelihood. That is why they are playing with people's life. Adulterated products they are selling to the public to earn the money. On behalf of allopathic, if I say in allopathic what happens, that is a scientific based research, and WHO World Health Organization also has mentioned that
just
clearly
tell me
it
one
will
thing:
impact, it will
the
give you positive
scientific
effect.
research are not
Whether
chemical
you are
based.
getting continuously,
If
or
you
whether are
if you
getting
have a
short-term.
knowledge, then you will know that most of the medicine are made of chemicals, and that is what is science, and that is what is research. If you don't know about, because I'm coming from the science background, that's why I know about that, how does the medicine work and how does it made. And the second thing is that the Ayurvedic medicine has promised you to that it will cure your disease. If you have any kind of long disease like the lungs cancer or any kind of things, then the allopathic medicine, what will it tell you? That it will cure your disease for the short period of time. And the other hand, the Ayurvedic medicine has
I wanna ask one very simple question. If someone has heart attack, so will he go to the Ayurvedic or he will go with the allopathic? No, obviously he will go with the allopathic. In allopathic we have surgeries, we have treatments, permanent solution. But in allopathic or Ayurvedic, as you mentioned, what are you talking about? In Ayurvedic people has allergies. Okay, people have allergies. They have allergies to this herbals, to this herbal. Even person doesn't know about that what kind of allergy we have with that particular herbal. We even didn't try. So people know about the thing that in allopathic I have problem with the paracetamol, I have problem with this, I have allergic of it, or I have allergy of it. So okay, so that is why I mentioned that it is means it is proved based. Okay, proved, it has proven by the scientist and WHO. So don't say
I don't
these
know
kind
where
of
you
things.
read that kind of thing, because right now the people who are whatever the problem you are sharing, like skin problem and the so on kind of problem, that problem people face by the help of the like medicines. Like if you are taking the medicine, just like the when the people having some of the fever, so at that time they always require the medicine. But which kind of the benefit they get? They are not getting any kind of the benefit. After long time, after the some time, they face again that kind of problem. Right now still mostly what happened, the allergy happened just because of the that medicine, not all about the homeopathic, because homeopathic is the very pure things. Right now if you will take the example of the old era also, right now also if people
As first, let me come to yellow t-shirt. As he is saying, I am from science background, I am from thrice background, arts, commerce, science. I have thrice knowledge. Whether you can ask commerce questions, any. If I say how our body works, I can tell you clearly whether WBC, whether DNA, RNA, white blood cells, means everything I can tell you, whatever you are saying, whatever you are trying to indicate. But in allopathic, what happens, when you will try to read WHO report, there you will get to know how much, benefits it's giving allopathic. What happens in Ayurvedic, you can take example of Ramdev Baba, what he's doing. He just, again, he's being caught just in the scams. He
Just
doing
tell me
fraud
one
with the
thing.
people.
Just tell me
That
one
is
thing.
why he's being sent to the
It
jail.
has been proven by the many resources that if you take the allopathic medicine, it can affect your all organs inside of you. If you have minor problem inside of any organs of your body, then you will take the allopathic medicine. And how does it work? It will affect all of your organs. Okay, it will not just affect one area where you having a problem. It will affect all of the area of your organ, and that's why it may be say that the problem can be